Spark M12-2 and M12-2S VCAP. How to replace an extended system crossbar unit, XSCFU. Please use an anti-static wrist strap and anti-static mat when handling sensitive components. Note the location of the XSCFU. Remove LAN cables, USB memory, and other components connected to the XSCFU. Loosen the 2 captive screws to release the removal levers. Open the removal levers to release. Pull to remove from the server unit. Remove the SD card if applicable by removing the single screw. Remove the SD card cover. Slide the SD card out through the slot. Slide the SD card back into the slot. Install the cover and tighten the screw. Note the battery location. Install the XSCFU by aligning and sliding into the slot. Close the removal levers and tighten the screws to secure. Plug in all cables. Thank you to Harold Kane for assisting with this video.